Okay, Mazda Mx5. Common fault apparently. This is happening. To be fair, sounds alright. So, common fault, the brake there. So, idea, instead of placing all that, I bought this. €19, eBay. And the plan is, cut that, bang that over the top, couple of clamps, boom, done. We'll see. So, basically I'm just going to cut off there, get rid of that completely. Don't think we need it. Did this on my Focus ST a few weeks back. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, here goes. Let's cut it. Excuse the no top, but it's about 4 million degrees over here at the minute. Okay. Okay, there's the offending article. Apparently Mazda, well no, not Mazda, someone on eBay sells a repair piece that you do pretty much the same thing. You cut it off there and it connects to there. But if, like me, they are absolutely knackered and they will not come off, but that is fine. I'm not replacing the whole middle section and catalytic converter or the botch and a back box for the sake of a £19 piece of pipe. 2 U-bolts. Job done. Let's bang them on and see what it's like. Happy days. Okay, we're done. So, reciprocating sort. Cut that off. Boom. Piece of pipe. 2 U-bolts. £19. £6 for 2 of those bolts. And I think we should be good to go. Just make sure you order the right pipe. I think I got a 65, but this is a 2 litre, this one, and it was a slightly bit tight, so a little bit bigger. Measure it first. Okay, knackered 1 series, that's next. Mercedes SL, Focus ST that I play about with quite a lot, and I've also got a little Mark 1 XR2, so if you want to see some more videos on that, just let me know. Okay. Oh, sounds better without that boxing already. Okay, job done. Happy days.